wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Dopp kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Amazon Basics Black is made from thick polyester that can stand up to bathroom spills and wipes clean easily. The rugged design offers multiple mesh and zippered compartments to keep all your toiletries organized and accessible. It hangs to save counter space and folds flat for storage. However, it is bulky when full. At number 9, if you're looking for a basic, budget-friendly option, the Household Essentials Grooming fits the bill. This durable model unzips on 3 sides for convenient access, while the interior has a layer of padding to protect bottles from breakage. It comes with a clear zippered pocket and 2 elastic straps for small items, but it doesn't retain its shape when empty. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the luxurious Vitelli hanging is quite capacious, with 2 large zippered pockets and 2 smaller ones to keep everything organized. The high-quality faux leather finish has a vintage style and is far easier to clean and maintain than genuine leather. It features a resilient canvas interior and rust-proof buckles. However, it is hard to close when the pockets are full. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Dopp kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Neat Pack Medium takes the hassle out of traveling with a TSA-compliant pouch that detaches to help you get through airport security quickly. You can hang it in the bathroom with this large swivel hook that fits over standard-sized doors. It's lined to contain leaks and equipped with a roomy main compartment, but it doesn't sit upright on counters. Moving up our list to number 6. The Kaloi Vegan is built with a waterproof lining and robust YKK zippers. It'll keep your accessories tidy and secure right up until shower time at your destination. This one measures 10 inches long with ample capacity and 2 interior pockets. There are 3 colors to choose from and it retains its shape well. It comes in a handsome gift box. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Gonex Orange is offered in 6 colors, all made from an ultra-lightweight, easy-to-clean nylon. Its main compartment is big enough for large items like electric toothbrushes, and a variety of smaller pockets and sleeves can organize the rest of your gear. The material is waterproof and secured by durable SBS zippers. This one's priced lower than similar models too. At number 4, the trendy Herschel Supply Company Chapter is offered in more than a dozen colors and patterns with its signature red striped lining. It won't necessarily hold all full-sized bottles, but it fits nicely in suitcases and carry-on luggage. It comes with a handy outer compartment, a useful pull tab on the zipper, and a comfortable carrying handle. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, keep your suitcase fresh and dry with the leak-resistant toiletries Travel. It's made from tough silicone that can be rinsed clean easily in the event of a shampoo explosion, and its flexible design makes it easy to tuck in anywhere. It's made with heavy-duty zippers and is large enough for full-size bottles. It sports a sleek, modern look. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Dopp kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Como C Unisex is rustic and attractive in appearance, and is ideally sized to house all the essentials without getting too bulky. It's got a wide opening for easy access and is made from elegant buffalo leather with easy-to-use magnetic snaps. And coming in at number 1 on our list, built to last a lifetime by the makers of the original Dopp kit, the Dopp Country Saddle features a genuine milled cowhide exterior and an easy-to-clean nylon interior. The zippered bottom compartment is ideal for keeping liquids separate and secure. It comes with bonus travel bottles and a toothbrush holder and is manufactured using high-quality stitching. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Dopp kits, or simply click beneath this video.